Silver. Today we'll talk about the silver and about the downside continuation. Here is a disclaimer. Don't forget to read it. So I will talk about the silver, and don't forget, guys, that tomorrow on Thursday, we'll have the U.S. inflation data. Most likely we'll have sharp movements in both directions. Most likely, we'll have. The U.S. economic data will have a big impact, a major impact on all markets, not only on silver. And please take a look here. The consumer price index month over month, 0.2% growth expected in December versus only 0.1 in November. Consumer price index year over year, 3.2 versus 3.1. And core CPI 0.3, the same as in the previous reporting period. And in my opinion, guys, if the U.S. reports higher inflation, then the US dollar could appreciate versus its rivals, and gold and silver could drop. Okay, this is my opinion. And please take a look here. I've talked about silver in a previous I've talked about silver here after this breakdown, maybe retest that the new lower low, or taking out 22.839 could open the door, could activate more declines. But unfortunately here, guys, after this false breakdown with great separation, and then retest, boom, rally after the non-farm payrolls last Friday, which it was a big surprise because the US reported better than expected data on Friday. But the dollar index was overbought. That's why we had the correction on the US dollar. That's why the price of gold and silver rebounded. But right now silver challenges again 22.839, and taking out this level could open the door for more declines here, because we had this strong rally here, and when the price reached this demand zone, we had a rebound, but it has only retested the broken uptrend line here. Okay, false breakdown with great separation, signaling exhausted buyers, signaling strong downside pressure. So guys, also if we'll use this uptrend line, you can see that the price failed to stay above it, and as I've said, taking out that static support activates or opens the door for more declines, or maybe something like this, something like this maybe, and retest staying near this immediate uptrend line, and right now breakdown, and right now, in my opinion, if it or a bearish maybe closure below today's low, could open the door for more declines here, and this is my opinion in the short term. Let's take a look on the DXY. I talked about the DXY in my market breakdown video today, and I've said that despite temporary retreats, or as long as it stays above 102.30, we have a demand zone here. Maybe it has only retested the demand zone before trying to jump higher and making a new higher high. Boom. Okay, and as I've said, tomorrow the US inflation data will bring high movements, sharp movements, high action. And in my opinion, higher inflation could force the price of the DXY to jump higher, the US dollar to appreciate, and silver to drop. Okay, could force the price of silver to drop. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to read the disclaimer, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye.